Pasta with tuna, capers, and anchovies. A side dish from Italy. Serves 8. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Drain the oil from the can of tuna fish into a large saucepan, add the olive oil and heat gently until the oil mixture stops spitting. Step 2. Add the garlic and fry until golden. Stir in the tomatoes and simmer for about 25 minutes until thickened. Step 3. Flake the tuna and cut the anchovies in half. Stir into the sauce with the capers and chopped basil. Season well. Step 4. Cook the pasta in plenty of boiling salted water according to the instructions on the package. Drain well and toss with the sauce. Garnish with fresh basil sprigs. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.